Hey, what's going on? My name is Nate Daly, 24 years of age, born and raised in Northern Virginia. I've gone through just seems like different stages of my life and different times where I've tried to figure out who I was and classify myself, and skating has just been there. It's a way for me to not only artistically express myself, but to physically get out and blow off as much energy possible. It bothers me that there's this negative stereotype associated with skateboarding. It's unreasonable, because every single one of the people that I associate with through skateboarding is a stand-up guy, or a stand-up girl for that matter. It's skating. That's what you go to do. It's not a spectator thing. It's not something that you come to and you bring your kids to and throw a picnic on the obstacles. It's something that, we're out there and we're working hard to better ourselves in, to push our limits, to find new creative expression through something that somebody possibly has never done before. Skateboarding to me is more than this labeled way of life, or this classification of who I was or who I am or something I'm striving to be. It's just something I do, and I do with all my heart.